How to attract a specific person using the law of attraction for love. To manifest a specific person, the law of attraction for love works by focusing on you. It isn't about the other person, it's all about you. What we think is the law of attraction to get the person to love us or notice us. But the law of attraction is about you, your thoughts, your feelings, and your vibration. So, the law of attraction says focus on yourself. There are 5 great ways to attract a specific person. Be confident in yourself. Realize you're a great person and it doesn't matter what others think about you. You don't have to make someone else like you or love you because you already love yourself. This is self-confident and this will attract people to you. Next, focus on positive. Delete all your negative thoughts. You have a lot of great qualities that makes you so worthy of anyone's love and attention. There is all love around you. Let it in. When you let it in and focus on positive, automatically the law of attraction for love to brings you your specific person. Next, have fun. People are most attracted to smiles and laughter. When you're having a good time, others notice and want to be with you. So, enjoy your life. The more fun and joy you have, the faster you can attract a specific person. Next, appreciate the contrast. Be happy for what you have. Forget about the things that you are wanting. Once you can be happy in the moment, the things you want will start falling in place, including your love life. Be willing to let the other person go. This is one of the hardest part of the law of attraction for love. You want to be with him or her, but now you're being told you need to be willing to lose them. Crazy, right? Whatever you decide to do, focus on doing what makes you happy. Don't worry about how things are with your specific person all the time. Worry about yourself. Pamper yourself. Take care of yourself. Let him or her see what they are missing. Now, follow all these ways. The law of attraction will bring you the love you want. Thank you.